Well, it sounds like the Coenen's debut at Southwick has been blocked. And it sounds like it's from KTM, which you gotta say, they're the ones paying the bills, and they're the ones that have to worry about, hey, if these guys come over, they do a one round for fun race at Southwick and end up getting injured, it's going to be bad for everyone, especially considering they're, in the championship contention. It's not good. I mean, obviously, you want to see this. As a fan, this is incredible. To see two super fast, young, talented guys come over as an exhibition race, whatever you want to call it, it would be entertaining. I mean, you get to see how two more Euros come over and fare against the 250 and the 450 guys over here, especially with the future rumors of them possibly coming over following Vial and Prado, where they'd kind of fall into things. And obviously, a one race interlope isn't really going to be the true showing. They could have an incredible race and be like, wow, this is incredible, they're going to be title contenders immediately, or they could have an absolutely horrible race, bike issues, who knows what it is. It's all about what they would be if they actually come over here and be consistent. But you gotta say, from KTM's perspective, it makes sense. These are young guys making a lot of money on factory bikes, and if they come over and just do a one-time shot and then get injured and they ruin a championship for them, it's just not business wise, I guess you could say. And from, again, a fan perspective, this sucks. I mean, you want to see the best racing possible. So if you can get people from the other series, the best of the best, coming over and racing, it's only a good positive thing. Especially, hey, if they come over and they screw up points for Jet or Deegan and they make things a little bit tighter for everybody else, it'd be a positive. But sadly, it doesn't seem like it's actually going to happen, whether that's like the rumor is it's KTM, whether it's the fact that they're, still associated with Myrtle. Who knows where this falls, but I don't know. You guys tell me, comments down below. Would you have wanted to see this? Are you excited if they do come over in the future? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.